have it from Monday to Sunday. This is my current body care routine. I apply it on my body, I apply it to my knuckle, I apply it to my armpit so that my armpits will not go darker. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current body care routine. In my last vlog, you guys wanted to know the products that I currently use on my skin, and that is what this video is going to be about today. So if you follow all these procedures and all these steps, you might as well get the results that I got from doing my body care routine this way. So if you are interested in knowing the products that I use, and you want to see how your girl has gotten to her skin to this level, then please keep on watching. Remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. Let's dive right into the video. Okay guys, so let's go into the products that I use. I'm going to start out with this one. This is the Koji San Skin Lightening Soap. I am not going to skip in this video. I don't have anything to hide. Why am I hiding anything? This is what I use, and this is how I have gotten my skin to this level. If you suffer from pale and dull skin, like that you are, you have like a brown, light skinned girl, and all of a sudden you notice that the sun has made you gotten darker, you need something in your routine that would help you get back your complexion. That is why we are using this soap. We are not using this soap to bleach our skin or anything like that. No, this soap is to brighten up your skin. You need a skin lightening soap in your skincare routine if you are always suffering from dull and pale skin, honestly. Okay, so this is it. Make sure you are getting your Koji San soap from a trusted vendor. In my description box, I'm going to leave down an Instagram page where I always go to buy my skincare products. I apply it to my knuckle, I apply it to my armpit so that my armpits will not go darker. I apply it on my knees, on my toes, so that I can have an even skin tone. That is why I use this skin lightening soap. So guys, let me show you the second product that I use. I recently just got this Nivea. If you watched my last vlog, I talked about this Nivea in the vlog. I just recently got it. In this body care routine, you need a normal lotion. Yes, you need a normal lotion, and you also need an exfoliating lotion. Yes, hear me out, guys. Hear me out. If you want to have an exceptionally flawless looking skin like this, you need to get an exfoliating body lotion. Yes, I know Amlactin and other exfoliating body lotions are expensive, but trust me, if you need to take your body care routine to the next level, you need to get an exfoliating body lotion coupled with a normal lotion. Okay, so this one I recently got. You can use any lotion at this point. You can use any lotion. You can decide to use Nivea or Dove. Just buy a cheap body lotion, a cheap one. I got this one for 4,000 naira. You need a cheap body lotion in your routine. You also need an exfoliating body lotion. Like I have said, you need an exfoliating body lotion that would exfoliate your skin while you go to bed and reveal brighter and glowy skin. Now, if you do not want to use Amlactin, it is okay. This routine would still work without you using any exfoliating body lotions. Amlactin is not only the exfoliating body lotion in the market. We have different types. We have the Alpha Renewal body lotion. I'm going to have the picture here on the screen. This one, I used it last year and it was amazing. I couldn't find it anymore, so I had to switch to Amlactin because Amlactin is more accessible than using Alpha skincare. Also need body oil in your skincare routine. If you want to have a glowy skin, you cannot skip using a body oil. This is just only for hydrating your skin and also helping to heal your scars. Okay, I'm going to talk about this later on. And lastly, you need a body scrub in your skincare routine. This one, I got it yesterday. You need a body scrub. If you don't like using body scrubs, then you can use a body polish. But these are all the products that I currently use in my body care routine that has really helped me, you guys. It has really helped me take my skin to the next level. I don't go dark today, tomorrow I go light. No, my complexion is always constant. All right guys, so I'm going to share with you guys my routine on how I use all these products to work well on my skin and how I have gotten the result I have gotten today. And you guys, this is my routine. This is my current body care routine. I have it from Monday to Sunday. This is my current body care routine, and all the products are fit into my morning and night skincare routine. This routine is tested and trusted. So on Monday morning, you are going to use that cheap body lotion that you have. Okay, you need this lotion in the morning to condition your skin, to prepare your skin for what is going to happen at night time, because at night time we are going to be using our Koji San soap. Yes, so at morning time you use this lotion on your body. You can use any soap of your choice in the morning, any body wash. Then at night time on Monday, you are going to use your Koji San soap. So whenever you want to use your Koji San soap, you are going to slice your soap into smaller pieces, because you cannot use the whole bar soap of Koji San. You are going to you are going to waste the soap. This soap tends to lather a lot, and it can also oxidize, and it would lose its potency. So you have to always slice out your soap whenever you want to use it on your body. So I'm just going to slice out just a little bit. Yes, so guys, this is it. This is what you are going to use on Monday night. You can even divide it further into two. Apply this all over your body from your neck down. Apply it on your elbows. Apply it on your knuckle. Apply it on your knees. Wherever you are having dark spots, apply the soap and leave it for 10 minutes. If you have a sensitive body, apply it for only 5 minutes. Okay, so after applying for 10 minutes, you are going to rinse everything off your skin. And when you are out of the shower, you would immediately moisturize your skin with your cheap body lotion. Okay, you can use Dove, Nivea, anyone. Moisturize with your cheap body lotion, because Koji acid soap is actually very, very strong, and it is very drying. It can damage your skin barrier. Like, it has a lot of disadvantages, but if you know how to use it well, we are going to get good results. Okay, so moisturize afterwards with a plain body lotion, and then apply your body oil on top of your lotion. Apply, but just a little bit. You don't have to use too much, just about 2 pumps, so that you don't sweat. You apply it all over your body, and that's it for Monday. That's it for Monday. Now on Tuesday, you are not going to use your Koji acid soap. No, neither are you going to use amlactin. Neither are you going to exfoliate. No, you're not going to use any of that. On Tuesday, you are only going to moisturize your skin with your body lotion, because you have used kojic acid the night before. So you want your skin to rest for on Wednesday, where you would now use your amlactin. See, whenever you are using any active skincare products, you have to give days in between so that your skin can rest. You have to give days in between so your skin can rest. So on Tuesdays, I don't use any lightening products, nothing. I just go in with my body lotion, which is this one. Morning and night, I moisturize my skin and prepare it for the next day, where I would now go in with an exfoliator. Now on Wednesday morning, after showering, you are not using your Koji acid, nothing. You are just using your plain body wash. At night time, you are going to use your amlactin. This is where your exfoliating body lotion would now come in. So on Wednesday night, you are going to use your amlactin. Apply a good amount all over your body. Focus on your elbows. Focus on your knuckles, focus on your thighs. If you have dark inner thigh, focus on your thigh. Focus on your knees. Focus on all those places. Allow the lotion to exfoliate your skin while you go to bed. Okay, so this is what you are going to use on Wednesday night. You are not going to use this in the morning. Neither are you going to use your kojic acid soap in the morning, because you are just going to damage your skin. So this is now the routine for Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday morning, you are using your plain body lotion. Okay, Wednesday night, you are now using your exfoliating body lotion. So on Thursday, you are going to allow your skin to rest, because on Wednesday night you applied an exfoliating body lotion. So on Thursday, you want to allow your skin to rest, and when your skin is at the resting stage, you are just going to use a plain body lotion both morning and night. On Friday in the morning, you are going to exfoliate your skin. Yes, even if you are going to work, you can just do it sharp. It doesn't have to be anything serious. So on Friday morning, you are going to exfoliate. Either you use a body scrub or you use a body polish, whichever one that you choose to. Exfoliate in the morning, and don't exfoliate on your skin dry. You are going to irritate your skin. Make sure you exfoliate towards the end of your shower. By that time, your skin cells are softer, so you can just go in with your body scrub and just scrub your skin. At night time, you are now going to use your kojic acid soap. Use it again at night time. After you use it, apply your plain body lotion. Okay, apply your plain body lotion. You cannot use your kojic acid soap with amlactin. No, both of them are both exfoliating, and they would not work well together, and you might have irritated skin. So on Saturday, you are going to allow your skin to rest. Your skin is going to rest on Saturday because on Friday you used your kojic acid soap and you also exfoliated in the morning. So on Saturday, you are going to allow your skin to rest. You are neither going to use your kojic acid soap or your amlactin. Now on Sunday, you are going to use your plain moisturizer in the morning, and at night time you are going to use your amlactin. I'm going to have everything on the screen so that you guys can understand in case you don't understand everything I have been saying. So guys, out of 7 days in a week, you are only going to use your kojic acid soap only on Monday and on Friday. That is when you are going to use your kojic acid soap. Out of these same 7 days, you are only going to use your amlactin twice in a week, which is on Wednesday and Sunday, and the remaining days are for resting. You have to rest your skin. You are applying acids on your skin. You are applying skin lightening soap on your skin. So you have to make sure that your skin is resting at interval so that you don't damage your skin barrier. On Monday, you use your kojic acid soap at night time. On Tuesday, your skin would rest. On Wednesday, you will go in with this. On Thursday, your skin would rest. On Friday, you would use your kojic acid soap. On Saturday, your skin would rest. On Sunday, you will use your amlactin. That is how you are going to be alternating it. That is my current body care routine, and that is how I have gotten my skin to this level. Now, if you don't want to buy amlactin, let's say you are on a budget and you cannot afford to get an exfoliating body lotion, it's fine. You can just only use the kojic acid soap, but because you are not using any exfoliating body lotion, you would have to use your kojic acid soap 3 times in a week so that you would see big changes. Instead of using it 2 times, you would use it 3 times because you are not using an exfoliating body lotion. Now, talking about this body oil, you can use this body oil whenever you are done using the kojic acid, because kojic acid is very drying. So you can use the body oil in combination with your cheap body lotion at night time. But when you are using amlactin, you don't have to use body oil with amlactin, because amlactin on its own is very moisturizing, and if you use the body oil on top, you can tend to sweat. Okay, so you guys, that is it for this routine. That is what I have been using on my skin, and that is how I have gotten the result I have gotten. You guys have been asking me this question a lot. Tell me your current body care routine. Give us a routine on how you do it. You guys, this is my routine. I recommend it to you to get 2 different body lotions. So you can use this one in the morning. This one doesn't contain any acid, so it would not make your skin sensitive to the sun, but this one contains acid and you can only use it at night time. So that's why you have to get 2 body lotions. So guys, that is all for my skincare routine. If you guys want to know any other thing, let's say my morning skincare routine or any other skincare routine that you want me to make a video on, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye guys.